Welcome to this presentation on the Panevėžys International Ceramics Symposium, specifically focusing on its forthcoming 25th edition themed Open Windows. We will explore its significance as a platform for delving into new artistic territories for both the event itself and its participants. The roots of the Panevėžys International Ceramics Symposium stretch back to the 70s, but the first official event was held in 1989. Since then, the symposium has become a cornerstone of the global ceramic art scene, attracting 186 artists from 37 countries. Historically, the symposium was founded to foster cultural exchanges across borders. Artists from diverse parts of the world were invited to Panevėžys, a post-Soviet Lithuanian city offering a glimpse into a previously concealed realm. For many ceramicists from the West, the USA, and other regions, the small city of Panevėžys was an undiscovered mysterious land. Although it lacked a deep ceramic tradition, Panevėžys boasted excellent technical capabilities for creating large-scale stoneware works. For the local ceramicists, the symposium was a golden opportunity to engage with global ceramic art, a luxury not afforded during the occupation period, when travel and access to international sources of knowledge were restricted. These early meetings in the 90s were crucial for artists from Panevėžys, Lithuania, and the entire Baltic region, serving as an invaluable source of knowledge about global ceramics. Art critics often refer to the shamed clay used in the creative process as Panevėžys stone mass. This fact, combined with the use of high combustion gas kiln, underscores the uniqueness of the symposium. The exceptional size of the glass factory kiln, where the symposium was initially held, allowed for the creation of impressively large works, which became a hallmark of the collection and the event itself. After closure of the ceramics department at the glass factory, the creative process moved to another ceramic facility. Over the past 3 decades, 24 symposiums have taken place. Until 2002, the events were held annually by the Panevėžys Civic Art Gallery at the glass factory. Since 2004, they have been held biennially at the ceramics company Medene, which boasts the largest gas kiln in Lithuania. Medene Art Studios offers ample working space, allowing participants to work in groups of 2 or 3. Each participant receives around 150 kilograms of clay and can use glazes and engulfs provided by the gallery or their own materials. Participants are asked to donate works created during the symposium to the gallery's collection, which now consists of almost 700 works. This unique collection of contemporary stoneware ceramics is the only one of its kind in the region and serves as the only permanent exposition of contemporary ceramics in Lithuania. The tradition of Panevėžys International Ceramics Symposium is significant in many aspects. Initially, it provided a rare opportunity for Lithuanian ceramic artists to engage with the traditions and practices of other countries. Today, these symposiums are an integral part of Lithuanian art history. They have shaped the creative personalities of many ceramic artists, providing knowledge, opportunities, and encouragement for artistic growth. The main goal of the symposium is to unite artists to share ideas and spread their culture. Despite the advent of globalization, there are still remote areas untouched by this cultural exchange. The 2025 Symposium edition themed Open Windows aims to highlight ceramic art from unexplored regions, showcasing how indigenous traditions intersect with the contemporary global milieu. While all artists are welcome to apply, special attention will be given to those from undiscovered regions or those whose work reflects the impact of residence on creative processes and new places. The 25th Panevėžys International Ceramics Symposium will be held in summer 2025 at the Panevėžys Civic Art Gallery in Lithuania. Up to 10 artists will be invited to participate. The open call for the Panevėžys International Ceramics Symposium will begin in January next year at our website. We warmly invite you to apply and be a part of this enriching artistic journey. Thank you.